Let's read this passage to answer question 51. Question 51. Which one of the following statements best reflects the most logical, rational message conveyed by the passage? Again, the keyword message. Option A. Food yielding trees should replace other trees in rural and tribal areas and community owned lands. Is that mentioned here? It's not mentioned here that food yielding trees should replace other trees. When this passage has got a larger premise, when this passage talks about agricultural lands, the passage talks about annual crops, crop failure, crop production gaps, agriculture, this passage is having a greater premise, not that food yielding trees should replace other trees. It's not from tree to tree. There's a larger premise, and this is definitely not a message that we get from this passage. Option B, food security cannot be ensured in India with the present practice of conventional agriculture. Food security cannot be ensured. That's a red flag. That's an extreme word there. Who said that? Did the passage say that? No way. The passage has never said that. And is that some kind of message? That cannot be a message, that food security cannot be ensured in India. Maybe if that is true, that is a concern, not a message. And definitely the passage has never said that. Option B is an easy elimination, like option A. Option C, wastelands and degraded areas in India should be converted into agroforestry. So far, so good. But let me read the sentence completely. Should be converted, should is an extreme, there's something with that, into agroforestry systems to help the poor. Now, is the passage mentioning that to helping the poor? Just because the passage is mentioned about rural and tribal communities, can we go so far assuming that that is a message from this passage? We can't do that. Wastelands and degraded areas in India should be converted to agroforestry. No, that is not a message. That is not a message given by this passage. And that to help the poor, that is not specifically mentioned as such. So what are we doing here? We have eliminated option A, B, C. So D is an easy pick, not because A, B, C are wrong. D is an easy pick. That's an answer because that is the message the passage is actually giving. Agro ecosystems should be developed. So the word should is there, but that doesn't mean that that's an extreme word. We have to eliminate that. But that is a message essentially contained in the passage. No problem. Agro ecosystems should be developed in addition to or along with conventional agriculture. All our keywords are matching. All our keywords. Sourcing food from non-agricultural lands in addition to agricultural lands enables a systematic approach to food consumption. And they have just elaborated all this. And it is sourcing food from non-agricultural lands. So that cycle continues. Option D is the message given by the passage.